Some of y'all know me, some of y'all don't. Some of y'all that don't know me will get to know me because you're on your path to come see me at the ATC at Galveston College. We brought you guys here today to celebrate your guys' decision to enter into the welding pathway. Okay? Not only are you guys entering into the welding pathway, you guys are entering into a dual credit welding pathway, meaning you're going to be earning college credits going towards a degree. All right? If you talk to some of your fellow classmates, they will tell you the decision you make to join this welding pathway is a very challenging decision. There's nothing easy that comes with welding or manual labor. Okay? I want you guys, the pathway that you guys have chosen, again, welding, but with NC3. NC3 is our partnership where it's the National Center Coalition of Certificates. NC3 is the one that governs your training, all right? They are the ones that give me the curriculum, the hands-on training. So everything that you guys do in the laboratory and in the book work that we do, myself and Mr. Gomez, your high school instructor, had to go in, pass those written exams, and actually had to perform the weld test. So your guys' testing that you received from us is the exact same testing that we had to achieve. That being said, we are in partnership with Lincoln Electric. We are what we call a LEAP school, Lincoln Electric Education Partnership School. What that means is we get discounted equipment to provide to the students, discounted electrodes, discounted machineries, the way students can perform and use up-to-date equipment. They also offer scholarships. They also offer different pathways that students can then venture into. I just want to say, you guys being here today shows a testament to your character. You guys have chosen something that is not easy, because a lot of students in different ISDs decide to go with welding or metal trades, thinking that they're going to sit in class and do nothing and earn a grade, which some of y'all have already found out that is not capable of Mr. Love's class or Mr. Gomez's class. You guys have come to us to learn a skill to where when you leave and graduate high school, you are employable, meaning you can go out there and get a job. I have about 2 students in here right now that are working in the welding industry, and they're seniors in high school, making, what do you make? $1,100, $1,200 a week, okay, as an 18-year-old. That's pretty good money. Those of y'all that work at the Whataburgers and Burger Kings or whatever, you guys are making what, $400 to $800 every 2 weeks? Think about that, okay? So being in this pathway, you need to take it serious. Again, Mr. Love does not fail students. Students fail themselves, all right? But I will not allow you to tear up your transcript by not failing my course, okay? So the guys that know me, the ones that don't, when you come to me, all I ask is you give me effort. You're gonna make mistakes. That is life. Life is about making mistakes, but life is also about learning from those mistakes and seeing what you are made of. If I told you my story, you'll be surprised that, wow, what is this guy doing here? Why is he my instructor? Okay, because I wasn't geared to be a welder fabricator. My pathway was the medical field. But when the state board said no, 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 I had a backup plan. That backup plan was to enter the trades, go to work. I did it the hard way. I had to learn on the job, meaning that I started at the very bottom. You guys are in this pathway to where you can enter into the workforce and start midway, if not at the top, depending on how serious you take your training. So again, I've been through it. I deal with life on a daily. To ask your fellow classmates, if there's an issue at home, Mr. Love understands, but you have to communicate that. That's part of our business. We have to be able to communicate with one another. So communicating with your fellow classmates, communicating with your advisors at the high school, communicating with your instructors is a good way to enter into the workforce to make a name for yourself, okay? So further ado, I would like to introduce the panel. I have Mr. Jacob Matez. He is a supervisor at Invent, which is a company right up the road in Hitchcock. Again, some of you guys that are seniors may want to come shake this man's hand because eventually you will be in front of him interviewing. Then I have Ms. Carla Thompson. She is a wonderful lady to be in connection with. Again, why is my laptop moving? Ms. Thompson is a good person to be in connection with. She is a representative of Turner Industries. Turner Industries being one of the biggest contractors for the petrochemical industry and new construction. Again, you think my criteria is strict, try going to work for a Turner Industries. Okay, and then I have a representative here from Lincoln Electric. Again, we are in partnership with them to where they offer you guys discounted equipment, good equipment, long-lasting equipment, but also they are the #1 name in the welding industry. Okay, when it comes to welding machines and PPE. So some of you guys have Lincoln equipment. Say thank you to this man because again, without Lincoln partnership, we would not be able to provide said equipment to you guys. So I'm going to pass this mic to Mr. Jacob Matez so he can give you a few words, and then we're going to continue and go from there.
All right, my name is Jacob Matez. I'm a former student here. Back in 2016, I met Ms. Peggy, and she was the first person that really encouraged me to take on this career. Welding can be very fulfilling and rewarding. It is challenging. There's a lot of courage to it, but if you stay committed and you stay on task, stay on task, it can be very, very good for your life. I started in what was called VEPCO at the time as a helper, and here I am 12 years later, I'm now the supervisor. But it takes the initiative, it takes you, everything you put into it, you're only going to get out of life what you put into it, you know what I mean? This is it's a good career, and like I said, I am hiring right now, so if you're looking for a job, come talk to me, Mr. Love, get you in contact with me, and just see how it goes. I don't really have a whole lot to say, I'm kind of nervous, but this is where it all started for me, so if you stay at it, everything will work out.
Hello, everybody. My name is Carla Thompson. I am a Director of Training and Development at the Turner Industries Group. We're the #1 maintenance contractor in the U.S. We're a large industrial construction contractor. And we also work with a fabrication group. We do have fabrication in Pasadena, Texas. I am a big supporter of Galveston College. I am a huge supporter of James Love. And I'm going to tell you, if you listen to that man and do what he tells you to do, you're going to be hireable. Okay? The key to being hireable is to have a good skill set, good attitude, and show up every day. So when I'm hiring, the first thing I ask Mr. Love is, did they come to your class every day? Did they show up every day? Because this is what I know. If you don't go to school, you're not going to come to work. So go to school, because I look at, when I look at transcripts, okay, grades are nice, but I'm looking at attendance. If you show up every day, I can teach you anything it is you want to learn. And we have a lot of opportunities outside of welding. I'm going to support you any way I can. I'm going to support Galveston College any way I can. What I want to say to you is, I want you to get as much education as possible. Right now, there are great opportunities with grants and funding. Galveston College is a great place to go to school. Get as much education for your future. You may not need it for that entry-level job. You may not need it for the first 6 or 8 years of your career. But if you want to have a long career, if you want to move into project management, if you want to move into supervisory roles, you need to have education behind you. And most top clients that I work for, like Exxon and Shell, Oxy, they all require education. So get education. It's great to be a welder. My husband welded for a lot of years, became a QA/QC manager, went to work for Exxon Mobil Development, and left his career in a very, very good place for retirement. So what you put into it today is going to help you for tomorrow. But it's all about, what do you want? I want you to be happy. I want you to do what makes you happy, because you're going to work for a long time. So enjoy your life, but in order to enjoy your life, you're going to have to put some effort in and have a good job. We don't just talk about welding when you come to Turner Industries. We look past that. There's a lady here in the audience, I consider her one of my best friends. Miss Sharon, I want you to stand up and wave at these young people. So this is my favorite person in the world. Talk to her about careers. Talk to her about pathways. Talk to her about classes. And she's going to help you find the right pathway for you. But I will tell you that welding is a great career. Yes, he's right. Mr. Love is right. It is manual labor. It is hard work. But the goal is for you not just to do that, but to move up, to become inspectors, to become planners, to become schedulers, to become supervisors, to become project managers. I have a young man who's working for me right now. So who in the room here did the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo build? Raise your hand. Yes. Thank you. Y'all did a great job. You did a great job. The rodeo wants me to tell you we're very proud of you and proud of your build, because it was really, really nice. It was a great build. So next year, if you're in these programs, you're going to have opportunities, if you're in high school, to be part of the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo project. It's a great project that many companies like Turner supports. If you are in your last year at Galveston College, Turner has a mentorship program that we're going to invite you to be part of. We're going to have all sorts of opportunities for you. Network, get to know your instructors, get to know all the guest speakers. Like you have one sitting on the stage that's hiring right now. So you want to meet people, talk to them, introduce yourself. Communication is going to be your key to success. And we wish you every success. We're really proud of all of you. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. I'll keep this brief. I heard there was some Chick-fil-A coming. I won't take too much of your time. Like Mr. Love said, Lincoln Electric is a proud partner of NC3 and what all you guys are doing here, right? We want to support all of you guys as incoming potential welders in the industry. We want you guys to weld on Lincoln Electric machines, Lincoln Electric consumables. We want you guys to want to use Lincoln products. It is very important for us as a company to support you guys all throughout the way. And I have a few things written on here I want to bring up to you guys, mainly about the labor industry and welding, okay? So right now, the average age of a welder is 55 years old. Right now, there's up to 50,000 openings per year in America for welding. We do not have enough people. You guys are in the right place. And in other jobs, people are being laid off. People that sit behind desks, some of them get laid off, right? It sucks. You guys are in the right place. There is an abundance of opportunity in this industry. You guys will have plenty of chances to make a name for yourself. Let's see what else we got. Another thing, labor right now is the #1 cost driver in welding. The labor is you guys. The labor is not easy, like James said. This is going to be a hard challenge for you guys to accomplish, but nothing easy is worth doing, right? So make sure you're committed to this job, committed to your craft. Welding is not an easy thing. We want to make sure you're taking pride, be accountable, do what you say what you're going to do, take it serious. You're in a good spot. You deserve a congratulations for what you got for being here. Another thing that really resonates with me is never stop learning. And when I was in training with Lincoln Electric 6 short months ago, one of the mottos we had was burn to learn, right? Burn, rod, learn more. The more you learn, the more you earn, right? Key. And lastly, man, this is more than a job. The world is built on welders. When you drive down the road, you look around that building, that is built by welders. The frame of that building is metal. Pipelines. What else? Anything structural, pipelines, there's a lot of things that rely on you guys. And it's a tough skill to learn, but it's worth it. Once you get through, you have plenty of opportunities out there. You can be in aerospace, structural, pipelines, underwater welding if you want. I mean, you're in Galveston, not that far from it. It's a possibility, right? The world is your oyster, guys. You have everything in front of you. and nothing behind me so far, really. So good luck to everybody, and congratulations. Well read.
All right, so before I go any further, I would like to also recognize Ms. Edenfield, because without Ms. Edenfield, a lot of you students would not be able to attend this career path. Okay, so give it up for Ms. Edenfield. I also would like to recognize my counterpart in this battle, Mr. Eric Gomez. Okay, he is the instructor at the high school, but he is also my adjunct. So he is my part-time that helps me corral you guys into these pathways and keep you on track. So Mr. Gomez, give it up. I would also like to recognize one of our board members here from Galveston College, Mrs. Carolyn Sinceri. Again, without the commitment and the decisions that they make on the board level, Mr. Love wouldn't be here, and y'all wouldn't have fun. So, again, give it up for Ms. Carolyn Sinceri. So, we have a few things left on this agenda, and I promise you, we're gonna feed y'all. So, first thing, you guys, what did I say? You guys are here, you guys are committed. Now, in order to be committed, open that orange folder for me. So inside that orange folder is your intent to enter into the Galveston College dual credit pathway. All right, this is your guys signing up for college. So if you're committed and you're gonna be a Galveston Whitecap and you're gonna be a welder fabricator, I want you to go ahead and sign on that dotted line. Once you guys have completed that signature, close the folder, leave the paper in it, and please give to myself and or Mr. Gomez. We will keep track of this. Oh, they can pass them to Miss Edenfield, right? Yes. You guys can pass them inwards to Miss Edenfield. I like how some of y'all are wearing the GC cap. If you didn't notice on that GC cap, it is geared towards welding. That is a welding sticker. That will officially be our logo once I get it stamped and approved by media. It's on the hat, it's on our sticker. Again, once you sign the paperwork, close the folder, you can keep the pen. We don't want the pen, you guys can have it. But we want the folder and the paperwork. Anybody else turn in their folder? I need to call your mother. The haircut or the hat? Looks like the haircut. Yes, good mind. All right, once you pass up your folders, you guys need to pull out that raffle ticket, because I'm gonna go ahead and do these raffles before we feed y'all. Okay? Don't get upset if you don't win, because you're already winning in my book from being here. All right, let me mix this up. I don't want nobody to think I'm cheating. Because I know a few students already try to pay me so I can pull their number. Oh, 2 already flew out, so I'm going to read those 2. All right, number 607815. 607815. Somebody has to have that number. No, it's the number on the ticket, my guy. Oh, Miss Peggy, you did that. All right, next number, 607796. Come on. All right, 607748. 607748. Oh, come. About time. Carlos is always stealing my records. All right, 607814. 607814. Maybe 2 hours all the way. All right. Oh, another one. Can't do that one. 607815. Go. 607833. Come on down. All right, 607746. There you go. Again, what you guys are receiving right now are chipping hammers and welpers for the MIG and stick processes. Score. All right, 607844. Come on down, my guy. All right, 607833. Come on. 607833. Oh, I did? Oh, sorry. All right, 607808. 607808. You know? All right, 607751. 60775. Come on, Gavin. Gavin, never mind, I'll tell you later. 607745. Another? Wait, hold up. All right. Yeah, give him another pair. He gonna burn him up out of his job, trust me. And he's one of the ones making $100 a week, just so y'all know. If y'all want to get like him, Lock in. All right, 607-793. There we go. We got two. All right, we got two more, and then we'll be moving on to other prizes. All right, 607-825. Up. All right. Don't let none of them use it. All right, last one. All right, 607-801. That's you? All right, come on, good. Don't be scared. All right, thank you, Lincoln. Lincoln gave out the hand tools for you guys to use in your welding process. So now, I don't know. I'm gonna wrap off these tape measures. How many of y'all actually know how to read a tape measure? Quit lying. I know y'all lying. If you're in my class, you better know how to read tape measure. But some of you that I don't know, don't lie, because I'll find out. All right. 607-826. 25-foot standing tape measure. Use it. Don't let nobody abuse it. All right, 607-766. Oh, Camilla! All right. Go there. She's going to be your #1 fabricator now. All right. Now, I'm going to give away this sweatshirt. Now, those tape measures were sponsored by Alltex Welding Supply, just so y'all know. They gave me majority of these giveaways. I also didn't let y'all know I have 2 giveaways that are not up here. But they're radical ops TIG torches. So those of y'all like to TIG weld, these are industry heavy duty torches. All right? This is what the real welders are using. All right, so for the sweatshirt, hold on. I'm gonna just be honest with you. This is a 2X. So, hey, whoever gets it, hopefully it gets. Hey, leave Russell alone. 607-790. Oh, Oscar, there you go. There you go. It kind of fits. All right. Hey, Phil, all right, so now I'm going to give this cap away, just because it's sitting up here. All right, it's all welding cap, 607-805. 607-805. No? Okay, Boney. 607-816. Oh, she got a cap. If you don't want it, you can give it to your dad or whatever. There you go. All right, I got 2 pair of welding sleeves. We require the FRs in the shop. If you're wearing a 100% cotton t-shirt, you can put these on your arms and it will protect your arms from the ultraviolet rays and sparks. 607-843. Oh, there you go. All right. Next pair of welding sleeves, 607-727. 607-727. Oh, got a winner. All right. All right. Now, I'm being honest with you. I want to keep grinders because y'all are destroying minds, but I'm gonna be nice. With these grinders, I got 2 grinders. Each grinder comes with a pack of grinding wheels. Again, you guys already know how much I spend on these grinders, how much I spend on grinding wheels, so you guys can perform your test. No, that's not how this works. 607-729. 607-729. Oh. 607-729. Is that you? Come on. There you go. I bet not ever hear Mr. Love ain't got a grinder. You got one now, baby. Hey, big bro, about to come in your room and I can take it. All right. 607-834. 607-834. No? Put away. 607-733. Come on down. Go, my guy. Grinding wheels, that's yours. Take care of it. All right. Before I give the welder away, I'm going to raffle off the tick torches. 607-827. 607-827. All right. Another ticket. Let's see. 607-758. 607-758. Nope. Oh, maybe they don't want me to give the tick torches away. 607-762. That's you, Miguel? All right. So y'all know, tick torches are still on the way, but I owe him. So everybody hold me accountable. Hey, Miguel makes some big money with that tick torch, y'all. Oh, that's your birthday? Oh, we're gonna sing happy birthday. There he is. All right. 607-86. 607-836. Jax. Okay, so I owe you too. So y'all both in my class, so y'all see me. So when I get them, y'all got them. All right, now y'all ready for this one? I know everybody wants the welder they can take home. Fix this up. Oh, should I call the ticket and say fill out? Nah, I'm gonna pick it out. All right, 607-835. 607-835. Nope? Okay. Next ticket. 607-776. Oh, there we go. This is a 160 amp stick welder, okay? So any at-home projects you got, any barbecue pits you got to repair, there you go. Charge them $100 an hour. All right, so that pretty much sums it up, you guys. Those of y'all that were able to win a gift prize, congratulations. But again, you're all winners in my book, especially if you're in my class. Hey, I love y'all too, but at the end of the day, y'all know what I'm about. I'm about business. All right, so again, you guys have chosen this pathway. Take initiative. Take control of your life. Put the effort in. Again, LeBron James had become LeBron James by sitting on the sideline watching everybody perform. He actually went out there and practiced. Michael Jordan is not Michael Jordan without practice. So again, when you're in that classroom setting, when you're in that lab setting, you need to take it serious. Practice. Make mistakes. Learn from the mistakes. Okay? Congratulations. You guys are on a nice career pathway. Again, this is a career. This is not just a job. If for some reason Dr. Matthews decides to say, hey, James, we no longer want you, Mr. Little's going to be all right. I'm going to be able to find work. Okay? So I'm just saying. Just saying. Just saying. It's not going to happen because I won't let it happen. But, okay, that's how the world works. So again, take initiative. This is your life. Take control of it. You guys are here. This is the first step. When you graduate, I expect when you graduate for you to have a job/career. Okay? Again, congratulations. I look forward to seeing you guys in class tomorrow, seniors. I know you guys got senior sign out there, and I appreciate you being here. Okay? Oh, see, I don't know. But y'all tell me, y'all keep me informed. But anyways, we have lunch for you guys. Make sure you act accordingly. Get your lunch. And hey, look who's here, y'all. Brian. Everybody say, hey, Brian. Just so y'all know, and Brian was one of my best students at one point. But then, you know, life happens. My guy is going into the military. Okay? Yes, that is a good career. He's going into the Marines. Okay? So again, that is your classmate. Congratulate him. Talk to him. Hey, good luck, Brian. You know, I'll be there. Trust me. You got my number. Your significant other has my number. She's going to let me know. But again, I want to thank everybody. I'd like to thank Dr. Matthews, too, for giving me this opportunity to be here and give you guys the experience that I give you guys. I'd also like to thank my direct supervisors, Donna Swartz and Vera Lewis Jasper. Without their support, I would not be able to fly as high as I am today.
Joker, Joshua?
Yeah. Yeah.
After we eat it, bro.
And then Gavin had two, I had two, but like, Gavin gave one to me.
I'm not even on the
You take it.
You know what? Might have to take that torch.